I bought a fig tree and I want to divide it. So we hope we will get roots for this branch. Okay. Check it down. Let me see. I don't see any roots, but hopefully it will fine. Let's plant. Okay, I planted smallest one. As far as I can tell, it doesn't have any roots there, but it shouldn't be a problem. I'm gonna cover it with this plastic. Let me finish. Okay, here you go. It's not. There are some space. There is space here, but it's okay. So main issue we need to cover here is main stem, so it doesn't lose moisture. Okay, I need to finish another one. Okay, complete main pot. We'll water it, and this side doesn't have roots. I'm gonna mark it. Go this way. I'll put some stick, which means no roots is here on this side. So it doesn't have many leaves, so this plant shouldn't be noticing that it lost half of roots. And I will do a relayering for these 3 branches. It needs to get more branches. Here you see main stem, main trunk was removed, and this became as a main stem, main trunk. And this is actually Violette de Bordeaux. It's supposed to be by taste close to Black Mission,